In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cell size in Google Sheets. Let's start by opening your Google Sheets file in your browser. Once your sheet is open, take a moment to look at the grid in front of you. All the data you work with lives inside these cells, which are organized into columns labeled with letters at the top and rows labeled with numbers along the left side. Changing the size of these cells makes your sheet easier to read, keeps your data from being cut off, and helps you create clean, professional layouts. First, let's adjust the width of a column. Move your mouse to the very top of the sheet, over the gray bar where you see the column letters. Hover your cursor between any two column letters, right on the vertical line that separates them. You'll see your cursor change into a left and right arrow. When you see that, click and hold. Then drag to the left to make the column narrower, or to the right to make it wider. Release the mouse button when you're happy with the width. You'll see all the cells in that column instantly resized to match. If your text is getting cut off and you'd like Google Sheets to choose the best width automatically, hover over that same line between two columns. Then double-click instead of dragging. Sheets will automatically resize the column so it fits the longest piece of content in that column, which is a quick way to tidy up messy data. Next, let's change the height of a row. Move your mouse to the far left side, where you see the row numbers. Hover your cursor between two row numbers, right on the horizontal line that separates them. Your cursor will change into an up and down arrow. Click and hold, then drag up to make the row shorter or down to make it taller. Release to set the new height, and every cell in that row will adjust. You can also make changes to multiple cells at once. Click the letter at the top of a column to highlight the whole column, or click the number at the left of a row to highlight the whole row. Then, resize using the same drag method. Every selected column or row will follow that new size, keeping your layout consistent. Experiment with different sizes until your data is clear and easy to read. With just a few drags and clicks, you can completely transform how your Google Sheet looks and functions.